Good evening, everyone. This is Peter Jones. I want to try and give a high-level overview of what I'm trying to do in respect of what I call biointensive. Other people would call it regenerative agriculture. We can call it bio-friendly farming, gardening, reforestry, all those good things. And of course, the thing with Big Agri and chemical farming methods is that they have huge pockets and can afford large marketing budgets. The bio-friendly community doesn't have that. So we need some grassroots marketing methods so that we can compete. Now, what's interesting is that there are many very active, busy WhatsApp groups generating lots and lots of free content. Now, it is often the case that content needs repurposing. I know one particular group who speak and converse mostly in Indian. That doesn't help me to understand what's going on in that WhatsApp group, but I can see that it is very focused on more regenerative, better, biologically friendly farming techniques. Now, so that's one community. There are also technical Discord communities such as Regen Network, who are working on the basis of producing tokens to obtain funding so that they can run projects. But they're more closely tied with Telegram as far as onboarding is concerned, to translate from the more general public interest, which is discussion, dialogue, chat, which originally started in Facebook, but has probably more migrated to both WhatsApp and Telegram. So we need a path to connect this activity, this content that's going on in WhatsApp, and that path needs to go through Telegram to Discord, so as to construct a content generation and repurposing path that will provide effectively grassroots marketing for regenerative agriculture. It's a concept at this moment in time. What we're looking for really is people to come on board and say, okay, fine, there's the overview. How do we put the nuts and bolts together to make that something real? The final factor involved in this is that Africans need to see that learning exchange so that they can deliver regenerative agriculture on the ground where they are. And that final mile at the moment, until we can get solar power and web access to them, is via Facebook, which is the lowest data cost for them to access the web. And that's the way that they interact with the rest of the world currently. So that's a long path. And we need both human and technology resources to be able to connect those different platforms. It's doable and it's worth doing. What I hope we can do is to find people to come and join us to make that doable, because there's a lot of different things along that path that ideally would be automated to help facilitate that big improvement that we need in the presence of regenerative agriculture. Thank you very much.